Today I am reviewing the Tineco Floor ONE S5 Smart Cordless Wet-Dry Vacuum Cleaner and Mop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Tineco Floor ONE S5 Smart Cordless Wet-Dry Vacuum Cleaner and Mop is a highly advanced cleaning device designed to simplify one of the most time-consuming household chores, cleaning hard floors. This machine combines vacuuming and mopping into one seamless process, making it a powerful all-in-one solution for modern homes. One of the most impressive aspects of this cleaner is its smart cleaning technology. The built-in iLoop smart sensor automatically detects the level of dirt and adjusts suction power, water flow, and brush roller speed accordingly. This means you don't have to manually change settings depending on the mess. Whether you're dealing with light dust, sticky spills, or heavy dirt, the machine intelligently adapts in real time to provide optimal cleaning performance. This feature not only improves efficiency, but also ensures that your floors are cleaned thoroughly without wasting water or battery life. Performance-wise, the Floor ONE S5 excels in both vacuuming and mopping simultaneously. It is especially effective on hard surfaces like tile, laminate, and sealed wood floors. The powerful suction picks up debris such as crumbs, dirt, and pet hair, while the mop function tackles sticky messes and stains. The result is a deep clean that leaves floors looking spotless and streak-free. The brush roller is designed to glide closely along edges and into corners, which is often a challenge for traditional cleaners. This ensures that even hard-to-reach areas get properly cleaned. Another standout feature is the dual tank system. The cleaner separates clean water and dirty water into two different tanks. This ensures that you're always cleaning with fresh water and solution, rather than spreading dirty water back onto your floors. The clean water tank is also larger than previous models, allowing you to clean bigger areas without constantly stopping to refill. This is especially useful for larger homes or open floor plans where uninterrupted cleaning is important. Battery life is another strong point. The cordless design gives you complete freedom to move around your home without being restricted by power cords. The long runtime allows you to clean multiple rooms on a single charge, making it highly convenient for everyday use. Combined with its space-saving and lightweight design, the Floor ONE S5 is easy to maneuver and store, even in smaller homes or apartments. Maintenance is where this product really stands out compared to traditional mops and vacuums. The self-cleaning function is a major advantage. With just the press of a button, the machine automatically cleans its brush roller and internal tubing. This means you don't have to manually clean dirty components, which is often one of the least enjoyable parts of owning a cleaning device. The self-cleaning cycle even includes centrifugal drying, which helps remove excess water from the roller, reducing odors and keeping the machine ready for the next use. The inclusion of a digital display adds to the smart experience. It provides real-time information about cleaning performance, battery life, and maintenance alerts. This helps you stay informed and ensures that you can operate the device efficiently without guesswork. The display makes the overall experience feel modern and intuitive. For homes with pets, this cleaner is especially beneficial. Pet hair, dander, and occasional messes can be difficult to manage, but the Floor ONE S5 is designed to handle these challenges effectively. The pet hair strainer makes it easy to collect and dispose of hair, while the strong suction ensures that fur is picked up along with dirt and debris. This makes it an excellent choice for pet owners who want to maintain a clean and hygienic living space. Another major benefit is the separation of clean and dirty water, which not only improves cleaning results but also enhances hygiene. You're never spreading contaminated water back onto your floors, which is especially important for households that prioritize cleanliness and sanitation. The system ensures that every pass delivers fresh cleaning performance. The 3-in-1 docking station is another thoughtful addition. It allows you to charge, store, and maintain the device in one compact unit. This helps keep your cleaning area organized and ensures that the machine is always ready when you need it. The space-saving design makes it suitable for homes where storage space is limited. Of course, like any product, there are a few considerations. The Floor ONE S5 is designed primarily for hard floors, so it is not suitable for deep carpet cleaning. It also requires regular maintenance, such as cleaning the filter and HEPA system monthly to ensure optimal performance. Following these maintenance steps is important for keeping the machine in top condition and avoiding false alerts or performance issues. In terms of user experience, the Tineco Floor ONE S5 delivers a smooth and efficient cleaning process. The smart sensor takes much of the guesswork out of cleaning, while the cordless design makes it easy to move from room to room. It significantly reduces the time and effort required compared to using separate vacuum and mop tools. Instead of going through multiple cleaning steps, you can handle everything in a single pass. Overall, the Tineco Floor ONE S5 Smart Cordless Wet-Dry Vacuum Cleaner and Mop is an innovative and highly efficient cleaning solution. It combines smart technology, strong performance, and user-friendly features into one device that simplifies floor cleaning. With its intelligent sensors, dual-tank system, self-cleaning functionality, and cordless design, it stands out as one of the most convenient and advanced floor cleaners available. If you're looking for a modern way to keep your hard floors clean with minimal effort, this device offers a powerful, time-saving solution that delivers consistent and impressive results.